To begin with, make sure that you are familiar with the controls of the car you will be driving. These controls could include the steering wheel, gear lever, pedals, handbrake, turn signals, lights, and wipers. Check to see that your seat, seatbelt, and mirrors are adjusted properly for your comfort and line of sight before you begin driving. The first step is to start the car's engine. You may need to insert and turn the ignition key or push the start button, depending on the model of the car. Engage the clutch pedal if it is a manual transmission car, then move the gear lever to the first gear while keeping your foot on the brake pedal. Once you have selected the first gear, release the handbrake, and slowly release the clutch pedal while applying gentle pressure on the accelerator pedal. As the clutch engages, the car will begin to move forward. Keep your foot on the brake pedal just enough to control the car's speed while you move through this initial stage. As you move forward, keep checking your mirrors for traffic behind and beside you. Keep an eye out for any pedestrians or obstacles that may appear ahead. If you need to change lanes or turn, use your turn signals and check your mirrors and blind spots before making the maneuver. Turning the steering wheel gently in the direction you want to go while pressing the accelerator will cause the car to move in that direction. When approaching a steep incline or hill, shift to a lower gear to give your car more power to climb. As you approach traffic lights or stop signs, ease off the accelerator and apply the brakes to slow down. Come to a complete stop and shift the gear to neutral, especially if you are in a manual transmission car. When parking, find a suitable spot and stop your car there. Engage the handbrake and shift the gear into neutral. Turn off the engine and remove the key from the ignition, making sure to lock the car if you are leaving it. Remember that driving requires alertness, caution, and awareness of your surroundings. Never drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or if you are too drowsy or tired. Always wear your seatbelt and be mindful of speed limits and traffic laws. With practice, you will become more comfortable and confident behind the wheel.